what I'm doing right now is just cutting. I mean, these got warped on me, but some small blocks to space out my stringers so I can picture framing the treads on the step with the Trex composite decking. Everybody's gonna think I'm talking to myself here. I got a camera going. It's funny. Hey, don't forget to, I think you gotta hit the 3 dots at the top there to like the live feed. That'll help me reach a few more audience members here. Hopefully this all works out. It's gonna get loud for a second, so bear with me. Thank you. So now I got my block cut. Grab myself some screws here. And then oh shoot. Alright. So what I'll end up doing here is pre-drilling the stringer just so I don't crack off one of these. I had that happen up there earlier. Made a mistake, so had it glued back together. I'd like to welcome anybody else that just recently joined the chat, or I'm sorry, the feed. If anybody's wondering what's going on here, we are, well, I am building steps for the Trex composite deck conversion we did. Well, I did on my parents' house. This is not my house. So what I'm going to do right now, just to make things a little easier for them, is use a clamp. Get the sucker back in place. Hammer might work better, but it's not real tight. I just have it tight enough just to keep the block from falling out on me, so I can kind of tap it in my hand. So I'm gonna drill 3 holes on each side here. Actually, we might only start with 2 and then move the clamp. We're not in a hurricane region. This is Pennsylvania. I mean, yeah, maybe a tornado here and there, but not very, very often at all. So, I'm not too concerned with using screws as opposed to nails. There's not going to be a lot of movement with this deck, really, so there shouldn't be any worry about the shear strength of the screw versus the nail. Some people and some areas require that things be nailed because they do offer better shear strength, shear quality. So everybody does like a nail than it is a screw. The nail's just going to bend, whereas a screw will just break. Let's see if we got a few more people in here. Oh, cool. I see 8 people in here now. That's great. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate it. Thanks for the thumbs up. I wish I knew how to see who's doing this stuff.